Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert an image to text using Microsoft Word. So let's get right into it. Here on my desktop I have a JPEG image of a newspaper article. I want to convert this article into editable text without typing it out. So I will start by opening Microsoft Word from the Start button. Next, I will drag and drop the image into a blank Word document. Now, if you want the flexibility to position your image anywhere on the page, you will need to adjust the text wrap settings. Click on Wrap Text. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose In Front of Text. This allows you to move your image freely around the document. Sometimes the text in an image might not be very clear. If that's the case, you can enhance its visibility. Click on Corrections, then select Picture Corrections options at the bottom. On the right side of the window, you will see options to adjust the brightness and contrast. Adjust these sliders until the text is clear. I am leaving my image as it is since it's already quite clear. Alright, if there's a part of the image you don't need, you can easily crop it out. Choose Crop and trim the parts you don't want. For this demo, I will crop out the title, Business Today, at the top. Once you're satisfied with how your image looks, it's time to convert it into text. I will go to the File menu, choose Save As, and save it on my desktop. I will name the file Document 1 and don't forget to select PDF in the Save As type drop-down options. Then I'll click Save. After saving it as PDF, I will reopen this PDF file in Word. A notification will pop up informing us that Word will convert the PDF to text. Click OK and wait a moment. And there you have it. Our image is now text in Word that you can edit or format. Word usually does a stellar job, but you might need to make some adjustments here and there. We have just converted an image to text using Microsoft Word without any plugins or online third-party applications. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.